Mirissa Beach is beautiful. It had enough going on to give it an atmosphere without being overcrowded. Palm trees lined the outskirts, the sand was clean and the water was an incredible combination of blue and green. Beach chairs are available, as well as plenty of sand to lay a towel, with food and cocktails just a few steps away. Surfing is becoming more and more popular in Mirissa, especially for beginners to intermediates. Rent a board from the corner of the beach and practice catching those waves. Board rentals are $2. Mirissa Beach is a great place to go whale watching. There are many tour companies that offer whale and dolphin watching tours, and if you are lucky you can get to see many different types. Blue whales, bride's whales, sperm whales, fin whales, and orca have all been spotted off Mirissa. Other sightings are of common dolphins, bottlenose dolphins, spinner dolphins, Risso's dolphins, and striped dolphins. Sometimes you can see turtles and various fish species, for example bluefin tuna and flying fish. Especially during the season from October to May. During this time you are 99% guaranteed to see whales just meters from your boat. Mirissa just after the high season, but there was definitely a lively atmosphere happening once the sun went down. 90% of bars have happy hour during sunset, and cocktails are as cheap as $2. If you're looking for a party, watch for the giant light that shines in the sky once the sun sets and listen for the 9:30 p.m. fireworks. The parties rotate between all the beachside bars, which makes it easy to decide where to go.